At the edge of Africa, where two seas meet and stories collide, lies a city like no other. Welcome to Tangier.
Mysterious, magnetic, unforgettable. For centuries, artists, dreamers, and spies have walked these hills, drawn by its mix of chaos and charm.
Here, cafes echo with poetry, and rooftops whisper in Spanish, Arabic, and French.
Tangier is not just Moroccan, it's international by soul. Wander the Kasbah for views that stretch to Spain. Stand by the Strait of Gibraltar, where continents nearly touch. From whitewashed streets to the pulse of the Grand Soko, Tangier is a mosaic of light, history, and breeze. Have you watched the sun melt into the Atlantic from Tangier's cliffs?
Tell us your favorite corner of this coastal legend in the comments. Like, follow, and sail with us to the next destination.